In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Wells Fargo Online Banking. Let's dive into the process to ensure you can manage your financial accounts quickly and conveniently from the comfort of your home. First, you'll want to head over to the Wells Fargo website. This is where the magic begins. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.wellsfargo.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. You'll notice various options that cater to different banking needs, but our focus today is on getting you enrolled in online banking. Next, look for the Enroll button. This is usually situated prominently to ease new users into their online journey. Go ahead and click on Enroll. Doing so will take you to a new page where you'll start the enrollment process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. This step is crucial for identity verification and to ensure that your online banking account is linked to the correct accounts. You might need your social security number and your Wells Fargo card number or account number, so keep them handy. Once you've input your personal details, it's time to verify your identity. Wells Fargo takes security seriously, so you should expect to receive a verification code via text message or email, depending on the preference you've set with the bank. Enter this code in the designated field to confirm that it's really you setting up the account. After identity verification, you'll move on to the exciting part, creating your login credentials. Choose a username that's easy for you to remember, but not easy for others to guess. Your password should be strong and unique. A mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols usually works best. This will help keep your account secure. With your login credentials set, you'll need to choose and set up your security questions. These are an additional security measure Wells Fargo uses to safeguard your account. Pick questions that have definitive answers only you would know and can recall easily. Before wrapping up, you'll be presented with the terms and conditions. It's important to take some time to read through these agreements. They outline the use of online banking services, your responsibilities, and how the bank will operate regarding your online accounts. Once you've read through, go ahead and accept the terms. Finally, you'll reach the concluding step, completing your enrollment. If everything was entered correctly, you should see a confirmation page congratulating you on successfully setting up your online banking account. From here, you can log in and explore the various features and services that Wells Fargo Online Banking offers to make managing your finances easier than ever before. And there you have it. You're all set to navigate your Wells Fargo accounts online with ease. Thanks for tuning in and happy banking.